Number 13. Which two statements from the passage show how the narrator's opinions of her town changes throughout the story? So we want something that was given at the beginning of the story on how she felt about her town, and something that was given at the end on how she was feeling about her town. That way we can see the change. A. I had always thought of the town where I lived as an ordinary town. That's something that she told us in the beginning. Today, the town signs read, welcome to Fernwood, home of the famous courthouse tree. And that is a statement that was given at the end of the story. So A could be our answer. B, it looks like a little tree growing up there. Number 1, that's not an opinion from the narrator. And number 2, that was from the middle of the story. It brings something out of the ordinary to Fernwood. So B cannot be our answer because of the first part of the answer. C, the signs of the road leading into town read, welcome to Fernwood, an ordinary, peaceful town. Not an opinion from the author or from the narrator. Let's see, the rest of it reads, the tree may have been lucky for us, but it wasn't so lucky for the courthouse. That is an opinion, but this is not showing us how her opinion changed throughout the story. So C cannot be our answer choice. D, the homes were ordinary, the people were ordinary, and even our pets were ordinary. So yes, that is her opinion at the beginning of the story. A vote was taken, and every single council member voted that the trees should be removed and replanted. That does not show us how her opinion changed about the town throughout the story. So our answer here is A.